After the first video went viral, I was invited to the Sides in Dalston to try out the food. Now, I did make sure the table consented before I gave it a cheeky finger. Squeaky fucking clean. So clean, in fact, if something fell on the floor, I'll leave it there. But you could probably eat it. I listened to your advice. I got the chicken strips, I got the waffle fries, I got the burger, and I got all the sauces to try, and I want to wash it down with some prime. Waffle fries are coming in strong, I'm not gonna lie, fucking fantastic. Great crunch, great taste. I dipped them in the Louisiana sauce, probably one of the best sauces out there. The Louisiana sauce was doing this. Can't say the same for the Chipotle sauce, that tastes like fucking shit. As you can see from my facial expressions, I definitely was not feeling this.
What the fuck is that?
Then I had a taste of the garlic mayo, which also tastes like shit. The Gouda secret sauce tastes like burger sauce, just with a strange consistency and a little bit more tang. Definitely wasn't feeling the ranch. The ranch was not the one. Most of the sauces were bad, however, the cheese sauce, which was not labeled, was absolutely amazing. Gordon Ramsay would be proud. All the sauces I tried, I have to say the number one sauce was the spicy ketchup. That was the best sauce there. Absolutely amazing. That's probably number one and Louisiana second. Not gonna lie, the cheese sauce was so good I had to go back for some more. Then we got into the burger itself. Bun quality wasn't the best. However, it does complement the chicken and the pickle. After the first bite, I wasn't very impressed. Not very impressed at all. I took a second bite and I'm glad I did. This is a really good burger. The pickle really complements the burger overall. The chicken was tender, the coating was crispy, and the pickle added a nice sweet and tangy taste. I decided to give it a dip in the Louisiana sauce, and yep, it was amazing. Make sure you check the description because I have given a sauce rating for each sauce that I tried, because I tried all. Let's get into the ratings. Chicken was tender, the coating had more flakes than the cereal aisle, and it was overall a decent burger. 7 out of 10. And the only reason I don't give it an 8 is because of the buffalo sauce, which was overpowering. Chicken strips by themselves are about a 5 out of 10. The oil that they've dipped it in becomes a bit sickening after a while if you eat it by itself. However, if you dip it in the sauces, it is amazing, and I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Don't have any waffle fries to show you because I ate them all, but they're a 9 out of 10. It is Sides by Sidemen, so we had to wash it all down with some prime. One of my viewers said there's powder in there, double checked. There is no cocaine. A little bit on the sweet side for me because I don't really drink juice to begin with, but overall, it was very decent. Me being the health freak I am, I did have to check the ingredients and the nutrition, and it doesn't contain a lot of sugar. However, do use a lot of sweeteners, which aren't good for us. Let me know what to review next. Follow for more.